So I'm here to share with you how to use our Coco-Salt scrub. It is such an unusual packaging for a scrub, isn't it cool? So with this product, you're gonna put it in your shower, and to soften it up, you're gonna run the hot water over it and you're gonna just massage the pouch. Then you're gonna open and squeeze a small amount into your hand. You can use it all over your face to exfoliate and polish your face. You can use it on the back of your arms. You can use it on the heels of your feet. There's so many different uses for it. And why would you use our Coco-Salt scrub? Is if you have really oily prone skin, acne prone skin. It has Himalayan salts in it. And this is an example of when I talk to people about it's really our ingredients and where I get our ingredients. This has 2 different versions of Himalayan salt in it, and I do that on purpose. So it's a great switch out product. If you're using any other scrub right now, we recommend you trying this. Let us know if you have any questions. Send them to connect@creekbaby.com. Thank you.